Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my video series on academic research. Starting a literature review can feel like stepping into a maze. So many papers, so many tools, and so many directions. If you are a master's or PhD student and wondering, where do I even begin? This video is for you. Today I will walk you through a high level roadmap for conducting a systematic and meaningful literature search and review. We will explore the major steps you should follow, from identifying your problem domain and generating keywords to managing your references and finally writing your review. In the upcoming videos, we will break down each of these steps in detail with tools, tips, and examples. So by the end of this series, you will feel very confident navigating the literature in your field. So here is a high-level roadmap in a form of a flowchart. The first step is understanding your problem domain and generating an initial list of keywords. This sets the stage for your entire research. Think carefully about the core concepts, key terms, and alternative phrases that relate to your topic. Once you have defined your problem domain and generated the initial keywords, the next step is to identify the right platforms for searching academic literature. Before jumping into literature search, know what tools you are using and why. Some platforms host full text articles from publishers, others index and track citations across disciplines, and some are great for networking and accessing shared content. In the upcoming videos, we will explore how to use these categories effectively for your research. Next step is to begin your search with a broad focus on review and survey papers. These papers provide a comprehensive overview of the field, helping you understand the trends, gaps, and the key researchers. If you find sufficient review papers, it means the field is mature. Read these papers thoroughly to build your understanding and identify the foundational studies. If there aren't enough, broaden your search scope by revisiting your keywords and exploring adjacent areas. If you still don't find enough, it means your field is not mature enough. Now you have to focus on the primary research papers directly. Now search for foundational and landmark papers, those that have made significant contributions to the field. These are essential for establishing the theoretical and methodological foundation of your study. We will soon have a complete video on how to search reputable and relevant literature. Stay updated by searching for recent breakthroughs and specific methodologies that have emerged in the last few years. This ensures your research is current and relevant. Look for cutting edge techniques, novel applications, or shifts in the research focus in recent high impact journals or top conferences. Tracking these advancements also helps you position your own work within the evolving landscape of your field. As you gather papers, organize them using a reference manager like Mendeley or EndNote. Annotate key points, methodologies, and results to make later synthesis easier. Periodically evaluate if your research needs refinement. Are you finding the relevant papers? Do you need to adjust your query or expand your scope? If so, revisit the previous steps until you are confident that you have a comprehensive set of literature. Once you have a rich pool of papers, synthesize your findings, look for patterns, contradictions, gaps in the literature. This step leads directly into writing your literature review, a crucial section of your thesis or research paper. Finally, draft your literature review, clearly defining the research gaps and formulating your research questions. This sets the stage for your original contribution. Congratulations! You now have a clear and structured roadmap to guide your literature search and review process. This foundation will help you save time, stay organized, and build a strong understanding of your research domain. In the coming videos, we will explore key academic databases, demonstrate effective search techniques, and walk through real-world examples to help you master each step. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. See you in the next video.